Tracfone offers several ways to refill your data. You can buy data add-ons directly through the Tracfone website, the Tracfone app available on iOS and Android, or at authorized retailers. These add-ons provide a one-time data boost, like 2 gigabits for $10, or you can choose recurring monthly plans. Another method involves using PINs from prepaid cards or digital vouchers. To apply a PIN, log into your Tracfone account via the app or website, navigate to the Add Airtime section, and enter the PIN. Digital-only PIN delivery is available via email or the app. Remember, PINs expire if unused within a year. Payment options include digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay. It's crucial to verify your Tracfone data balance to avoid unexpected charges. Check your remaining data through the Tracfone app, on the My Account page at tracfone.com, or by texting BAL to 611611. It's free. This ensures real-time updates and prevents overage fees, which can be $10 per GB. Keep in mind that data is shared across devices on the same account. Unused data from add-ons typically expires after 30 days, but some select plans offer data rollover. Make sure your phone has a compatible Tracfone SIM card to use the service. If you encounter any issues, Tracfone Support Center offers 24/7 chat and tutorials.